Hi, I'm here to tell you about my next workshop called Manifesting Your Vision. So, if there is a dream you've had or something that you desire, a way of being you want to be in your life that you're not there yet, whatever, how big or small it is, this workshop's for you. We will look at all the ways that we can attract what we want into our life in a way that really suits us and make sure it's really, really what we want. It's really good for us, and then how to go after it and get it. So, this workshop will take place via Zoom, so you could be anywhere in the world, and it will be Wednesday, September 14th, 2020, from 6:30 to 8:30 p.m. Central Time. It will be live. It is a great way to support yourself. It's a great way to meet really cool people, put some tools in your toolbox to attract what you want and live the life you desire. So, really, what I want for all of us is to be living the song of our soul, because wouldn't it be a wonderful world if that's what we were all doing on a regular basis? So, I look forward to seeing you there.